Okay, everybody, welcome back to the Rick Rides. I don't know if anybody has these kind of newer style Chevrolets. It's like a 2099 through 2007 probably. And what happens is these freaking A-pillars will start falling off whenever you do it multiple times, take them on and off. And there's really no fixing them, but I came up with this little solution right here. The plastic in the middle came off, so I kind of got it perfectly flat. I drilled a hole really tiny down through it, and I believe this is a number 4, and I went 3/4 inch deep. And then I believe these are number 6s, and it's actually going metal into metal. So I dimpled it, then I pre-drilled it so that way it all lines up, and then when I put it back on, I drilled a hole through the plastic. But basically each metal is sandwiching between that. So if I flip it around, let's see if you can see it. It's hard to see, but see how the screw heads come out the back side? So it's actually sandwiching it. And honestly, I don't know any other way to fix this besides this way, but I figured this probably will work. And if anybody else wants to try it out, let them try it out, because these things are getting hard to find. So far, it's back on and holding good. I think it's gonna be good.